Hi, my name is Kate. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you are new, welcome. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope we have a lot of fun today because I have a brand new unboxing from the brand Christy Dawn, which I'm so excited to share with you. My husband just brought this from Chicago. I sent everything to him. I'm in Canada. And he literally got here 30 minutes ago. I'm like, bye, I'm gonna go do a video. So super excited to share this with you. A little bit about Christy Dawn. They are based out of California and they are an ethical, sustainable shopping company. What they do is they take fabric from larger fashion houses, so it's called dead stock fabric, that these fashion houses no longer need. So once they're finished with the fabric, instead of it going into landfills, Christy Dawn repurposes it and turns it into beautiful, beautiful clothing. I'm very excited to show you these. They have a couple of classic designs. So I got the Lincoln and the Paloma dress. I think I'm gonna only keep one, but the Lincoln is one of their, both of them are their classic designs, but the Lincoln is one of their classic one size designs. So I'm really interested to see how that fits and how one size can fit many sizes. Another exciting thing is I have a coupon. I have a $30 off coupon because I purchased dresses. They sent me an email saying, thanks for purchasing, here's a $30 referral coupon, send it to your friends. So I'm going to share it in the notes below along with the links to these dresses. And I have been mildly stalking Christy Dawn for a couple months now, and what made me finally purchase is that they came out with their Petites collection. And I'm so excited because it's true petite. So what happens is they shorten everything, so they shorten in the waist and they shorten in the leg. And a lot of companies say, oh, it's a petite, but they only shorten the hem of the dress or garment. And it's not true petite because the knee that's supposed to be in an outfit is like below my knee, like 3 inches. So it always looks a little bit awkward. But so I'm so excited to share this because it's brand new. It's their first petite collection ever. And I think this is just gonna be amazing. So what I did is I bought 2 dresses. I'm going to see which one I want to keep. Hopefully I can return one. We'll see. The return policy is a little tricky. Just so you know, you have to tell them that you want to return something within 7 days of receiving it, and then it has to be postmarked within 3 days of that. So they'll email you like a return shipping label or instructions on how to do it, and yeah, and then it has to be postmarked and sent within 3 days, so you have to make a really quick decision. What I can tell you about shipping to Canada is in their notes, they say that it's just basically a risk that you have to take when it comes to duty, and you have to pay for shipping. So that's why I sent this item to my husband in the States. He travels a lot in the States. We have family in the States. We always go to the States. We're going in a couple days. So I usually use that opportunity to purchase some beautiful items that I find down there. So here we go. I'm gonna open the box. I have my trusty art knife here, and let's get going. Okay. Oh, I heard rumors. Someone told me that if you want something special, order a Christy Dawn dress because it comes like this. Isn't this stunning? So yeah, it's embossed. So this is a wooden box, and it is embossed with the logo. So this is a beautiful keepsake. I think this is absolutely stunning. A great marketing thing, a great just idea to make you feel special that you're ordering these items. Christy Dawn, in the bottom of each of their listings, they have a meet your dressmaker. So this is another lovely thing that they do, is they highlight the people who make your clothing, and they make everything in LA. And it just seems like such a lovely company to work for, and I'm very excited to experience this. They seem to make everyone feel special, from their workers to their customers, and I think this is a lovely way to do it. So let's, oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this opening. This is like a jewelry box. So here we go. Oh, look at that gorgeous packaging. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, so there's the Christy Dawn sticker. And the first dress I see, oh, this is cute. Okay, they have a really lovely note in here from Christy Dawn. Christy Dawn is a former model, and she has always been influenced by vintage because she grew up in this really romantic sounding town. There's a whole page, like a note from Christy and a letter on her website, and I'll link that below. And here's just a nice little letter and a keepsake and a straw. So talking about the environmental impact that plastic straws have, and just giving you a free straw to help make a difference and to stop using plastic straws. So that's super nice. What a lovely little keepsake. Okay. Oh, this is so pretty. So the Paloma, I have to admit, this is it. Look at the fabric. It is so pretty. Both of these are cotton. I think the only thing that with Christy Dawn is they use some synthetic fabric, like usually viscose, and I think that's the only thing I don't really like about some of their designs. But when they have cotton and they have silk, they advertise that, and I think that's because that's what customers are looking for. So when their Petite line came out, and I think the majority of them were cotton, it was a really hard decision to make, but I got the Paloma dress, which is right here. And the photos of this dress were just so beautiful. Oh wow, this is so gorgeous. Look at that dress. So this is a midi length dress, and it has 2 tassels. The model who was wearing it was 5'3". I'm 5'3", so I found that really helpful to see what it would look like. I'm usually a pretty good judge of buying stuff online. That's basically why I have this channel. I have pretty good luck when it comes to buying items online and what they're going to look like. I'm really good gauge. So that's why I'm here, to help everyone else who just needs a little bit of extra research. And then it says it's a full skirt. And then, yeah, that's what the bottom looks like. I'm going to steam both of these and try them on for you. But that is the Paloma. And it is, I think what the fabric is called, I'll link it below. But the fabric is called Summer Roan. And then, oh, this is so pretty. Okay. This is just absolutely all beautiful. This is the Lincoln dress. So this is the Lincoln dress in, I think it was like a strawberry rhubarb floral. So this is so pretty. So this is the one size style. So what it is, this is really nice. Wow, sorry, I'm just like overwhelmed with how nicely made it is, because it's a cotton dress, which doesn't sound amazing, you know, but when you touch this, it's really, really beautiful and really apparent that it was handmade, because that's another thing they do. They pay well, they pay their seamstresses well for at a competitive wage, and then give everyone health benefits, which is a big deal. I'm in Canada, so our health is a little bit different, but in the States I think that's a really big deal to have really good health benefits, so that's really lovely. And this is, yeah, wow, I'm really impressed with, just by touching it, how lovely that feels. Oh, I'm so excited to try this on. So this is a crossover in the front, and then it has a snap here. So they've talked about it being nursing friendly. Their namesake dress, called the Dawn dress, is like this, but with sleeves, with short sleeves. So this is the Dawn's sister, the Lincoln, with that you can show a little bit more skin. It has adjustable straps and, yeah, a drawstring waist. So I'm really excited to try that on. Cool. Okay, I don't even need to steam this, so that's really nice. That's another thing to note. This just came straight out of the box, and it is wrinkle free. So it'll travel well, which I am planning to take a dress with me on vacation. We're leaving tomorrow, so this is a big last minute video, but I definitely wanted to get it done before and share this with everyone before I go. So that's a big plus on this dress. So let me steam them, try them on, and I'll be right back. And this is the Paloma, and it is perfect. It fits so perfectly. When I first was looking at these dresses, the Paloma, this one is the one that caught my eye, but I was kind of worried about how classic the style of it is, but it is so nice. I'm looking for a summer midi dress that I can wear around my children. I have 2 little girls under 3, and I just needed something easy that I didn't have to think about, that was just very pretty, just like the outfit in one piece. And so this is it. This is so lovely. It is so comfortable, and it fits so well. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be hard to say. Because I bought this, and then I thought the Lincoln I might like better, because I think that might be a more classic style. So I'm gonna try that one on for you, but in the meantime, this is what this looks like. This is so pretty, and it's very soft. I just love the fabric. I love these tassels, and oh my goodness, and it's just so easy. It's such an easy but pretty dress. Oh dear, hard decision. Oh, I just love this. It's gorgeous. There's no closure in it, so it just comes over top of you. And my bust size is a B34, if that helps. I think I ordered this one in the XSS. I'll put the size down below in the notes. I'll double check that for you, but I think this is just so pretty and fits me so perfectly. And here is the Lincoln dress. This is so pretty. I feel like I'm in a movie, like a rom-com, like Rachel McAdams worthy dress. I think this is so sweet and it's so comfortable. The sleeves are adjusted and I actually have them shortened all the way. So that's what that looks like. I was a little worried about a bra for this one. I have to wear a strapless bra, which I'm not the biggest fan of because they're never comfortable, but it worked. You can't see my bra, so that was one of my biggest pet peeves. I don't like seeing my bra. And then yeah, I put the drawstring in and I just think it fits really nicely. It's at my true waist, which is at the smallest part of me. This is lined and the Paloma right there is lined too. So just in case you're wondering, it is definitely modest and you can probably wear whatever color underwear you want. I love the length of this and I just don't know which one to pick. Oh my gosh, what a dilemma. You can see that the lining is shortened to right there. I feel like pretty hard, but this is such a sweet dress. Oh my gosh, which one am I gonna choose? We'll see. I don't know which one to pick. I think this one is so pretty and so is that one. So this is gonna be hard. I'm gonna send it to a couple people and see what they say. Maybe I'll do a story about it. But in the meantime, I'm going to put the winner in my 10 by 10 challenge. If you haven't heard of that, it is a wardrobe challenge where you pick 10 pieces and you wear those 10 pieces for 10 days. And there's a whole like online community about it. It's like on Instagram, so you can check that out. I'll link that below too. But the winner will be in that video, and I think I'll try and upload it at the same time as this unboxing, so that you can see which one I chose. And yeah, just help me out. Let me know which one you want, what you like, which let me know which Christy Dawn dresses you actually have your eye on, because I've talked to a couple people about their favorites and they have so many different choices. The coupon is for first-time customers, and yeah, please use that. I think these are beautiful and they're well worth it. It's just about trying to decide on which one. The coupon also works in store. I have a friend who used it when she was in the store in LA, and they also have a pop-up in New York, so I'm assuming you can use that there too. So, good luck. Good luck if you're shopping there, because everything is absolutely beautiful, and I don't know how I'm gonna choose. But have a good day, and I will see you next time.